Hey guys, it's Emily. For this video, I'm going to show you how to make these Halloween room decorations that are easy and cheap to make. Let's get on with the video. The first idea I'm going to show you how to make is this wooden tray. You want to start off by painting your wooden tray any color you would like, and you can find the wooden tray at Dollar Tree. I painted mine black, and I also poured the paint onto the tray so I could save paint. When the tray is completely dry, you want to take a glitter spider and glue it on with hot glue. The spider I used came from Dollar General, but you can use any spider from anywhere. Since my spider is a stick-on spider, it had a back piece that could come off. So what I did was that I took off the back piece and I put glue on that back piece. Then I put it back on the spider so it would stay on better. Then I took the paper off so it became sticky. And then I glued it on with hot glue so it was supported on the tray better. A tip to attach the spider to the tray is by keeping the tray down so you can align the bottom of the spider to the bottom of the tray. After the glue is dry, you are all done with your tray. I put a pumpkin and pumpkin string lights onto my tray, but you can put anything you want on it as long as it's not too heavy. The next idea I'm going to show you how to make is this flower pumpkin. You want to get a felt pumpkin and flowers. I used roses and an orange felt pumpkin from Dollar Tree. Then you can pull off a flower, leaves, or anything else that came with the flowers. After you pull off what you want, you can lay out everything so you can get an idea of how you want your pumpkin to look like. If you need to, you can trim the flower or whatever else you need so it can fit better in the spot you want to put it. I did trim the flower so it could fit on the leaves better. Once you have an idea where you want to put everything, you can glue everything on with hot glue. I glued on one purple rose to the leaves, and then I glued that to the pumpkin. Then I took these stems that came with the flowers and cut them in half. And I glued them under the flower. When you're done gluing everything on, you're all done with your flower pumpkin. The last idea I'm going to show you how to make is this flower arrangement. You want to start off by putting a small amount of stones of any color at the bottom of a mason jar. And you can find both of these at Dollar Tree. Then you can stick flowers into the jar. I got these flowers at Dollar Tree. And if the stems are too long, you can trim the stems or you can just bend them. Before I went to the next step, I added a few more stones into the jar to keep the flowers from moving. The last thing you can put inside of the jar are some branches that have glitter on them. And you can also find these at Dollar Tree. Since there's a lot of glitter coming off of these branches, I suggest putting a bag underneath of the jar because glitter will go everywhere. After you get the branches in the jar, you can adjust the flowers and add the rest of the stones in the jar. The last thing you can do is that you can take a piece of ribbon and tie it on the jar, but this is completely optional. I used purple ribbon that I already had, and because it was too wide, I did fold it in half so it would look better. When you're done adding everything you want, you're all done with your flower arrangement. And that's how you make these Halloween room decorations. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and subscribe to see more DIYs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!